let's get ready, let's get ready to rumble.
Are you ready to impress our judges?
Let's see.
How do you say good luck in Macedonian?
Sosreka.
Sosreka, Mohammed. Sosreka, Mohammed. Let's go, Mohammed. Sosreka, Mohammed.
Merhaba.
Hello.
Hello.
Malti.
No, Macedonian.
You're from Macedonia.
I'm from Macedonia, yes.
And what's your name?
My name is Mohammed Ismail.
And how old are you, Mohammed?
I am 29 years old.
So what do you have prepared for us?
I'm gonna sing it.
Good luck and enjoy it.
Thank you. Same bad, but it feels just a little bigger now.
Give him a chance.
Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about it, all it does is just tear me down. And it haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like
Maxine. I was really
too
cruel.
young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and hold your hand. Should have given you all my hours when you had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Do all the things I should have known when I was your man.
Basta.
My pride, my ego, my reason, my selfish way. 'Cause
One, two, three.
I didn't mean to.
He did it. I did that.
Okay.
Because it wasn't fair to let you suffer like that.
You look super on that stage, and I was slightly disappointed because I was hoping that you had this like superstar voice, but you just didn't. And I have to be honest and say that if you want to do this, then you need to train.
I'm curious to hear what Ray has to say.
I needed the whole 3 minutes to decide. It's a free country.
Għandu raġun. Kellu bżon 3 minuti.
Maybe more training in the future. Give it another shot.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming. Thank you.